We begin with the key ruling when it comes to the Affordable Care Act. The U.S. Supreme Court decides to let government subsidies continue. Good evening, I'm Craig DeGrelli.
And I'm Jennifer Griswold. Tens of thousands of Nebraskans are affected. KMTV Action 3 News reporter Josh Egbert is live with the ruling and reaction. Josh?
Well, Jen, the challenge to the law focused on whether states without their own state exchange, like Nebraska and Iowa, can still offer subsidies to users, hundreds of dollars in tax credits that help pay for health insurance. The Affordable Care Act is here to stay. That's the word from President Barack Obama after the Supreme Court rejected a challenge to the Affordable Care Act.
What we're going to see is the law unfold as it was written.
On a vote of 6-3, the Supreme Court upheld tax subsidies that makes health insurance affordable to millions of Americans.
Anybody that had their subsidies, they're not going to have to worry about losing them.
Which in Nebraska accounts for nearly 57,000 people. According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, those enrollees in the marketplace receive, on average, a $257 tax credit each month to cover insurance costs. Sean McGuire, who runs Edie Bellis, an ACA consulting group, says without those subsidies, many Nebraskans wouldn't be able to afford health care.
As costs continue to grow, more and more people are going to be dependent on these subsidies should they qualify. The question is, can we afford it as a nation, because those are taxpayer dollars.
Nebraska lawmakers gave a swift reaction to the decision. Representative Brad Ashford released a statement minutes after the rulings, saying now that the courts have fully litigated the Affordable Care Act, it's time for us to work together on a serious bipartisan fix that eliminates the employer mandate and reins in the growth of insurance premiums. Senator Ben Sasse said, "While I am disappointed with the Supreme Court's ruling, I am undeterred in my commitment to fully repealing Obama's care command and control structure and starting over with true patient-centered health care reform." With no more legal challenges available, McGuire says only time will tell how the ACA evolves.
We're going to see whether it stands on its own weight and whether the people really are happy about it in a couple years.
This was the second time the act has been challenged. McGuire says any challenges now must be taken legislatively. You can bet the Affordable Care Act will be front and center in the November 2016 presidential election. Reporting live, Josh Egbert, KMTV Action 3 News.